So next we will see part family. So I have given the outlines of part family in the previous one, and now let's see what is part family. Part family is a collection of parts which has same design shapes or any same design attributes or manufacturing attributes, simply which are similar in size, shape, or manufacturing process. There will be similarities between the parts, either the size or the shape or any manufacturing process or the sequence of operations. There will be similarities. Now that everyone will be comes under part family. So hope what is part family? Part family is a collection of parts which are similar in size, shape, or manufacturing process. Now the part within the family may be different. So I have written in part within the family may be different. What is part within the family? Now say this is part A and this is part B. Now this two may be different, but there might be some similarities. For example, the shape of this part A is like this and B is like this, but here it has to be drilled. Here it has to also be drilled. Now there is some similarity between these two. Okay, no problem. Since they have similarities, they can be considered because the parts within the family may be different. See, in a family there are people with different shapes, size, or characters, but there will be some similarity because they might be in the same blood or anything can be considered. Likewise, in manufacturing, the parts may be different within the family, might be different, but there will be some similarities either in design or in manufacturing attributes. The two types which we are considering is design attribute and manufacturing attribute. First, what is design attribute is they are similar in geometry, size of the product, shape, etc. That all comes under design attribute. And what is manufacturing attribute is the sequence of operation, the processing steps, etc. That all comes under this manufacturing attribute. Now again, what is the advantage of this part family? One is design retrieval. What do you mean by design retrieval? Very simple, nothing but, for example, we are producing a product A. I'll take something to from this. Yeah. Let this be here on the second one. What is design retrieval? Say for example, I am producing a product A. I have produced a product A in 2010. And I am producing this product B, product A again in 2023. Now, what can I do? Since this will be, if it is in part family, just I can search the product. Some coding will be given like 105012. This coding will be given. I can search this code 105012. Now this can be retrieved. In 2023, I am typing this code to retrieve the product. 105012 was the product code. Now I am retrieving the product. 105012, I am retrieving the product A, which was done in 2010. So now the process is easy. Because I have got the product, the same product which I am doing 23 is already available in 2010. I have just given the code and I have retrieved the product. Now I can find the design, what design it is used, what manufacturing sequences is used. So I can do the product again. So the time here, everything to be done from the scratch is reduced. Because already I have the product in hand, as minor changes is enough to bring out the final product in 2023. Now that is the design retrieval, retrieving the product design. And next is automated process planning. Of course, what is automated process planning? Identical or similar code 10502. So 10502 is already available. So now the process planning, what I have done for this 10502 in 2010 is enough for 23 as well. So now this process planning is automated. Same, it will be easy. Now that is one advantage. And third advantage is mission cell design. What is mission cell design? All members of particular part family. In the previous video you have seen what is mission cell. A particular mission M can do all that is required of A. Likewise, when I go for mission cell design A product, this particular mission M can do or drilling, chamfering, etc., etc., whatever had to be done, this A can be, whatever the A is required, this M can do. Now that is a mission cell design that you all know. So now the next thing is how to identify this product that belongs to a particular part family. It is very simple. First is visual inspection. What is visual inspection? You can see with your eyes. You are seeing a product. See, this is marker, and I will be taking another marker. Now this is all same. So this is all same product. So group under one. Okay. By visual inspection, we are grouping this as one. They all are same. By naked eyes, you can see. I can inspect and you can group that this comes under this family, and we will do it again. For example, in house, if you are doing some carpentry works, you will be seeing like if you are getting some materials for carpentry, you could see these are under same, so you can group it, you can use this. And next is part classification and coding, that we will discuss in the next presentation, what is part classification coding. And third is production flow analysis. That is production flow analysis. Production flow analysis follows a sequence of operations. So using these three methods, we can easily identify the part family. Thank you.